In today's video, I am going to show you two tools that are accessible worldwide and are browser-based tools, which means that they don't need an app like Discord to work and can generate some impressive images. Alright guys, the first tool we have on the list is called Lexica. It is free and very simple to use. And as you can see, it is browser-based tool. It means you don't need Discord or any app like Midjourney. In my opinion, it is the best alternative of midjourney. As you can see, these photos are created by the creators or users. They are using the prompts to create. As you can see, this is the little bunny, fluffy bunny created by this prompt, and you can also copy the prompt and paste it in your experiment whatever you want. And this is the model Lexica Aperture version 2, and guidance scale, and this is dimension. And also here is the variation, 4 different variation of one pictures. And the quality of this picture is so HD, as you can see, so insane. It is very good and very impressive. Now how to get started? First you have to go to the get started button and click on the get started, and you will see the button there is continue with Google, and you will sign up with Google and you will automatically come to the Lexica. And we have done it. So if you have done it, come to the search, and if we give them any prompt, so I'm going it typing that deer. So here you will find the many pictures, and many of them, and it has given us the 1829 results, and these are the results. As you can see, this is full insane and HD quality that have given us the Lexica. If you click on this picture, so you can see that it is created by this prompt. A large deer-like creature with shimmering, completing black fur, and so on. And you can also click on to open in editor, so you will get to the editor place, and you also have the 4 variation like the deer. Okay, it gives us 1829 result. It means that it is very popular tool and many people are using this tool, and the tool is helping them very much. Now if you want to generate your own pictures and your own simply click on generate button, and you can put here your prompt, just like a deer in a jungle with, and you also, if you describe your prompt in here the words, so if you don't want the thing you want, you don't want in the image, or you don't want any thing that is just blur or something else, so click on this and you will find the negative prompt. Negative prompt means that what you don't want is here. So I don't want the trees, just for example, I don't want trees and a deer in the jungle having male standing, just we can say that standing in the forest. Okay, so here it will generate the picture what we want to use, or just we want for our work, our experiment. It will generate the picture, it will give us 4 pictures. Okay, so you can see it have given us the 4 pictures that are just here. These are the pictures, and the trees are not somewhat they are not remove this, but maybe there's some problem. Okay, and you can also go to the outpaint, so you will see the outpaint means that it will zoom out the pictures and will give you the 4 different images that are zoom out like this, and wait for it, it will give us the 4 images that are zoomed out. Here it is, here they are. So you can see that this is the image they have given us, and they have zoom in for us. So we can also go to the we want these pictures. Okay, we want this picture in different variations, so we will click on this generate variation. It will also create 4 images with different variations and different things. We will see what is the difference between them. Okay, so here they are. You can see that there is so much difference. Here it is fat, here it is thin, here it is the like a river, and there is the path. So you can see different things in here, and you only give the prompt to the lexica and it will automatically generate the things you want. And as you can see, this is the dimension, in what dimension you want, in landscape or in portrait. So it is the model type and it is the guidance scale. Okay, so this is the lexica's most popular tool and most I can say best tool I have ever used. And here is the history. So it has all the images that we are created by our prompt. And after this, as you can see, we have created a showing 76 results, select multiple. So they will show us our history. Okay, that we are created by the lexica. Okay, so like this is the place where I will show you practically. If we like this pictures, this picture, just like this picture, okay, we will just click on this and we will have the picture in this place. Like if you want a picture that you want the picture in future for work, so you simply click on this and you will have this in the likes or yes. Okay, it will be here in the likes. And here is the membership plan, just the starter, 1000 fast generation per month, no slow generation, 2 parallel fast generation. And as of my opinion, we don't ever need it, because it is just simply create for best images for us, 100 images. And I am sure that we don't need many of these pictures. Okay, as you can see, there are many pictures, and just go around and search for it and generate the pictures you want, and be creative, to create many pictures and just use it in better way. So the second tool we have is instant art. It is also browser based tool, and we can use it to search the images we want. Here it is the difference between the lexica and this is just they have the real faces. Like here you will also have the real faces to use in your work or experiments. And as just like we can say that if we take this picture, so an Indian young guy with small beard with glasses stand on the street, wear a hoodie, headphone, tattoo on his neck, hyper realistic, brown eyes, brown skin tone, 8K. So this is the prompt they have given to the we can say instant art, and instant art has created this for them. And you can see this is full realistic, full HD and sound quality, and with full just like a good feeling of looking at it. Okay, so if you want to generate your own, so here you can also put the prompt. You can also enter the prompt that you want to create the picture. Here if we type the prompt that we want, cat with the Batman outfit, okay, sitting on just like on mountain, okay, just on mountain, it will generate the picture for us. Maybe it will take some time. The lexica is good that the lexica is not taking much time, it is taking some time. Okay, we will wait for it and we will just go on. So as you can see, it has created us the cat that has a Batman logo and an outfit of Batman standing or sitting on the mountain. And we have given the prompt and this is the dimensions. And if we click on this, so we will find this in the liked place I have told you in lexica. and just click on the download button to. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe the channel for more helpful videos just like this one. And don't forget to use this tool. The link will be in the description. Create some arts, and yeah, see you in the next one.